Hello, what's up, my people? This is your guy MKFX, and today we are going to be looking at complete technical analysis, analyzing the market and seeing the possible signals that we can be taking this week on the forex market or in the forex market. Currently, you can see I just took a trade on USDJPY. I just took a buy on USDJPY, and this is the first pair we are going to be analyzing, looking at why we are buying USDJPY. So let's start from the Monday time frame, analyze USDJPY right down to the 4-hour time frame, and understand the reason why we are buying USDJPY at this moment. So let's go straight to the monthly time frame and have our complete technical analysis. All right, guys, on the monthly time frame on USDJPY, we can clearly see that we have a monthly high, a monthly mid high, and a monthly low at this point. And if you take a good look at the USDJPY, you're also going to see that it has been in an uptrend, giving us a series of higher high, higher low, higher equal high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So what is happening? Price is pushing back to the upside to give us another higher high to the upside. So from the monthly time frame, we can clearly see that we are bullish on USDJPY. So we are just going to be going to the lower time frames like the weekly and the daily time frame to see exactly what is happening at this area on USDJPY to see how we can find buy entries to the upside. So let's go straight to the weekly time frame. All right, guys, on the weekly time frame on the USDJPY, what can we see? Clearly, we can see that price is also in an uptrend, giving us a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and price tried to push the upside to give us a new higher high, but it was unable, and it came back down here to the monthly support. And on this monthly support, what can we see? We can see that buyers have found interest on USDJPY and they are pushing price to the upside on the USDJPY. So what do we expect? We expect USDJPY to give us a new higher high to the upside or break above this monthly mid-high, retest, and then continue with the buys to the upside on the USDJPY. So USDJPY on the weekly time frame, we can see buy pressure from here. So what are we going to do? We are going to scale down to the daily and the 4-hour time frame to see how we can pick entries to the upside on the USDJPY. So let's go down to the daily time frame. All right, guys, on the daily time frame on USDJPY, what can we see? We can see that price was on a downtrend, giving us a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, a lower high. Now, price was supposed to find sell pressure from this new lower high. Price was supposed to find sell pressure from this new lower high and give us another lower low and let the move continue in that manner. But what happened? We can clearly see that price was able to break above our previous lower low, which indicates a change of character, and we can only find entries from here to target the daily new resistance up here or this monthly resistance. So what do we expect? We expect price to push up and give us a higher high, higher low, and let price continue in that manner from the daily time frame. So since we are resting above the daily resistance, because you can see this, it was a resistance here which found buy pressure to push price to the downside, and here it served as a support and it also served here as a support. So since price have broken above it, it means it is going to continue serving as a support on the daily time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and understand what price action is doing here to see if we can pick our buy entries from this zone on the USDJPY. So let's go straight to the 4-hour time frame. All right, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see a beautiful uptrend here. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market is already giving us a series of higher high, higher low, equal high, higher low, and then a higher high and a higher low. Now, why did I take these buy entries from here? Clearly, guys, you can see that price has given us a higher high, higher low, a higher high, another higher low, with a bullish engulfing candlestick, which indicates that buyers are in the market and they have found buy pressure from this daily resistance, because you can see when price got here, it pushed to the downside. Same here, but what happened? Price was able to break above this resistance and it has retested and giving me a bullish engulfing candlestick, which indicates that what buyers have come into the market and they are willing to push price right up to the next level on the weekly, on the 4-hour time frame. Remember, on the monthly time frame, we are to target this zone, but on the daily time frame, we are targeting the daily resistance as our point of interest or as our take profits. So guys, we keep holding this straight. We keep holding this straight USDJPY. When it makes contact with a monthly resistance, we are going to put stop loss to break even and watch price play along right up to take profit on USDJPY. So guys, we keep watching the chart and we keep looking for other opportunities as we can scale in on USDJPY. But for now, we keep holding these particular trades on USDJPY. Let's go straight to the next pair, analyzing GBP USD. Let's analyze GBP USD. All right, guys, as we can see on GBP USD, well, it is messy and I won't say I have a setup now on GBP USD. I won't say I have a setup now on GBP USD. We are going to wait for price action to play out. Let's go to Gbpcad. Let's go to Gbpcad, guys. Let's go to Gbpcad. There's no setup on GBP USD. Okay, so on Gbpcad, what am I looking at? What am I looking at on Gbpcad? Let's go straight to the monthly time frame on Gbpcad. Let's go straight to the monthly time frame on Gbpcad and explain what is happening on this Gbpcad. All right, guys, on Gbpcad, we can clearly see that we have our monthly high, we have our monthly mid high, and we have our monthly low here. Now, what happened? We can clearly see that this zone was serving as a resistance. Each time price made contact with this zone, it found sell pressure to the downside. Each time price made contact with this zone, it found sell pressure to the upside. But what has happened? Price has been able to break above this zone, indicating that what buyers have come into the market. And if buyers are in this market, where are they targeting? They are targeting the next resistance before they can find sell pressure again. Before they can find sell pressure again. So on the monthly time frame, we can clearly see that what we are bullish because price have been able to break above a monthly strong resistance. So how are we going to do? We are going to scale down to lower time frames and look at how we can pick buy opportunities targeting our monthly next resistance here. So let's go straight to the weekly time frame and see how we can pick entries. Now on the weekly time frame, guys, we still have the same thing. Let me add a zone here. Let me add a zone here for the weekly time frame. Let me add a zone there for the weekly time frame. All right, guys, on the weekly time frame, guys, we can clearly see that on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that we have our weekly zone here, and there was something here like a sort of a range between this place, between this support and this resistance. But price was able to break above the resistance or above this range to the upside. So the question now is, will price come back here for a retest before buying up, or price is going to continually push from here to the upside to make contact with this monthly resistance? This question cannot be answered here unless we go down to lower time frames to understand what price is doing exactly here, guys. So this is going to take us to the daily time frame to understand what price action is doing there. Now, on the daily time frame, what can we see? Clearly, we can see that price has given us a higher high, a higher low, because we can see that there is a little range here, which price have made contact with, and we expect price to push from here to the upside and directly to the monthly resistance. So we are going to go to the 4-hour time frame and look at how we can pick our buy entries from here, and look at how we can pick our buy entries from here. So let us go straight to the 4-hour time frame and see how we can pick our entries. Now, 4-hour time frame on the Gbpcad, we can see that price is giving us a beautiful uptrend, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and we can see that price has given us a bullish engulfing candle, indicating that what buyers are also found on this support area here, on this 4-hour support. Buyers are also found here. So what can we do? We can simply pick our buy entries from where price is. We can actually pick our buy entries from where price is and target our monthly zone here on the USDcad. And target our monthly zone here on USDcad, which is approximately which we are going to be targeting about let me see. We are targeting about 200 pips plus to the upside on the Gbpcad. So here is my complete technical analysis. Because of this bullish engulfing candlestick, we can pick our buy entries from here on the Gbpcad to the upside. From here to the upside, we can pick our buy entries on Gbpcad. So guys, let's move straight to the next pair. Let us look at Euro USD. Let us look at Euro USD. Let us look at Euro USD. All right, guys, on Euro USD, we can see I was expecting price to break below and give us a retest to pick buys, but it didn't, and price didn't play out that way. And we can see Euro USD is also as messy as GBP USD. So what do? We stay out of this pair and wait for price to make new action or price to give us new patterns before we can be looking for a trading opportunity on Euro USD. So guys, we are going to end this pair here. We have a signal on GBP, on USDJPY, and we have another signal on the Gbpcad. They are all buy signals. So guys, if you love this video, please subscribe to this channel and also drop down the comment section. What is the pair you want us to analyze next? Drop it down the comment section and I'm going to analyze it for you. The link down the description is my Telegram link, which you can click and join my Telegram community, where you can also get these signals for free. So guys, we meet in the Telegram community and down the comment section. Let's discuss. Ciao.